download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. When learning JavaScript, developers often choose between using a text editor or an integrated development environment IDE. A text editor, such as Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text, offers a lightweight and flexible environment tailored for quick coding tasks. It typically provides syntax highlighting, basic code suggestions, and customizable features through plugins, making it ideal for beginners or those working on smaller projects. In contrast, an IDE, like WebStorm or Eclipse, is a more comprehensive tool that integrates various development features, including debugging, version control, and project management. Pre-included I am aware IDEs often provide more advanced code completion, error detection, and ultimately, the choice between a text editor and an IDE depends on the developer's needs, project complexity, and personal preference, with both options having their unique advantages.